Hi, here Stuart Alexander from Impact Makers Radio, and today, I just want to go ahead and show you how to create your personalized URL vanity link, which is what I'm highlighting right here. So let's just take a few steps back and reverse engineer this and actually go into the reasons why you should do this. So as you can see here on your screen, I have an example of the kind of default link that LinkedIn provide you with. So they will give you the link, linkedin.com, and it will say IN and then /, and then there's normally it will come with your name and then some really weird characters after your name. Now that doesn't look really professional at all, and if you're going onto a radio show or maybe TV, or you're meeting with a prospective client, a really hot client, and they ask you for your LinkedIn profile URL, having a URL that looks so jumbled up and lots of different characters in there is just not the way to go. So as you can see here, I've removed these characters in the top URL, and this is what it's going to look like in the bottom. So that's just an example, and as you can see, it just looks so much more professional. So let's just go back over to LinkedIn and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So to do this, when you log into LinkedIn, let's just go back to my home page. You log into LinkedIn and you will be on this page. Just go to the home page. That's what it will look like, something similar on your account. You log in, click on your image here on the right, and then click on view profile. And then here on the right hand side, click on edit public profile, and it will open up in a new window. And then simply click on this pencil here where it says edit URL, personalize the URL for your profile, and then go ahead and just change the end of your current LinkedIn URL. Now you can put anything there, and I highly suggest you just put your name there. Some people put their business name. I would suggest to put your name there. If somebody else already has your name, then use hyphens or just use something that makes it unique but also very easy to remember. And that's it. You just click save, and then you have your new URL that you can share all over the internet. In terms of the old URL, that will still work. So if people do have access to that, when they click on it, it will still take them to your LinkedIn profile. So it just makes sense just to spend, I did that in less than a minute, just to go ahead and do this and just make yourself look more professional. So that's it. I hope you find that useful. Have a great day.